Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Okay, good morning. So, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 7 Cubes and Cube Roots. Chapter 7 Cubes and Cube Roots. Chapter 7 Cubes and Cube Roots. Simple and small chapter, very easy chapter. We have already in detail we have studied squares and square root. Same type of questions, but there are many questions are there in squares and square root, but cubes and cube root is very simple and small chapter. Okay. Children, do you know who's Ramanujan?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's that?
Indian scientist,
Huh?
Indian mathematician.
Yes, good, good. He's a well-known Indian mathematician. Okay, so you have an assignment, that is, you have to write about Ramanujan and Hardy Ramanujan number. Hardy, G.H. Hardy, Professor G.H. Hardy is a professor of Dr. Ramanujan, and you have to write about Ramanujan, and both contribution is Hardy Ramanujan number. You have to find out what is this Hardy Ramanujan number, and you have to write an assignment on this. 2 pages, maximum 2 pages enough. Okay. So assignment is Hardy Ramanujan number. First, 1 or 2 paragraph you can write about who's Ramanujan and Hardy. After that, write what is Hardy Ramanujan number.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, total how many pages?
two is enough. 2 pages, maximum 3. Okay. Okay. So shall we start our cubes and cube roots? Okay. See, children, what is 1 cube? 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. What is 1 into 1 into 1?
One.
1.
One,
2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2.
8.
8. Okay. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. So now you have prepare a table like number and cube. Number, cube. Number and cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it now. And the cube of all these numbers. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Find 3 cube. 3 cube is
27.
27. 4 cube
64.
64.
125.
125. Correct.
260.
216. 6 cube is 216.
343.
343. 7 cube is 343.
512.
512. Correct.
729.
25. 216. 343. 512. 729.
1000.
1000. 512. 729. And 1000. Okay. And you have a homework, that is you have to prepare cubes, the same type uh, table, number and cube from 11 to 20. 11 to 20 for the next period. Okay. For the next period, complete this table. Cube 11 to 20. Okay. Now we have some properties of cubes. Properties of perfect cubes. Properties of perfect cubes. Properties of perfect cubes. First one, if the digit in the ones place of a number, if the digit if the digit in the ones place of a number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then the digit in the ones place, then the digit in the ones place of digit in the ones place of its cube will be the same digit. The same digit. Second one, the digit in the ones place of a number digit in the ones place of a number is 2, then the digit in the ones place of its cube is 8, vice versa. Vice versa means if a number ends with 8, its cube ends with 2. If a number ends with 2, its cube ends with 8. I will explain how we will see some examples of this type. Next one, if the digit in the ones place of a number is 3, digit in the ones place number is 3, then the digit in the ones place of vice versa. Vice versa. Fourth one, cubes of even natural numbers are even. Cubes of even. Cubes of odd natural numbers are odd. Cube of negative integers are negative. Cube of negative integers are cube of negative integers are negative. Over, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, listen all of you. Suppose we are finding, we need to find the unit place digit of the unit place digit of the cube of a number 342. We are going to find 342 cube. We are not finding the actual number 342. We need only the unit place of 342. So how we will multiply find this 342? 342 into 342 into 342, no. So first of all, we will multiply these two. That is 2 2s are 4. Then numbers will be there while multiplying. So unit here, when we multiply these two numbers, the unit digit is 4. Again we will multiply this number with 342. That is 2 into 4 first we will multiply. So unit digit will be 8. So what will be 342's unit place? Unit place will be 8. Okay, no need to study all those properties by heart. We can find out the unit place of the cubes. So all of you try what will be the unit place of 346, not 346, 86 cube. Unit place. 86 cube means 86 into 86 into 86. First we will multiply 86 into 86. 6 6 are 36. Here unit place will be 6. Again when we multiply with this, 6 6 are 36. Again unit place will be 6. So unit place of 86 cube will be 6. Clear how to find? Now 37 cube. 37 cube. 37 cube is 37 into 37 into 37. 37 into 37 into 37. So first we will multiply this 37 into 37. 7 sevens are 49. Unit place will be 9. After that again we will multiply with the 9. Sevens are 63. So 3 will come as the unit place. All of you understood how to find the unit place? No need to find the whole cube. Okay, you just multiply the unit digits. First two unit digit. Write the digit there. That with the third number's unit digit. Okay? Okay, so now I will ask some questions. All of you be ready. I'm going to ask some questions. Okay, Alia, you have to say the unit place of, find the unit place. Write the question. Find unit place of following numbers. Following numbers. First one. Ready, Alia? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. 71 cube. Then put a arrow, then write unit place. Think and say, what will be the unit place of 71 cube?
Ma'am, 1.
1, correct. Because 71 into 71 into 71. When we multiply this, 1 into 1, 1. Again 1 into 1, 1. Understood how to find? Okay, Asin, next is your turn. Asin,
Yes,
ready?
ma'am.
Ah, 8, 888 cube.
Ma'am, 1,
Hmm?
190.
888 into 888 into 888. 8 8s are, Asin, 8 8s are, what will the unit place if we multiply 888 into 888? Unit place will be Asin. What will be that? Asin, are you there, Asin?
Yes, ma'am.
8 8s are
64.
64. So 4 will come in the unit place, isn't it? Then again 4 into 8.
Okay.
4 8s are 4 8s are as in
32.
32. So 2 will be the unit
32.
place. Understood? The unit place will be 2. Clear, Asin? Is that clear?
Yes,
How to find?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, next
Yes.
next question goes to Hira. Number is 149.
Ma'am,
Uh,
9.
9. 149 into 149 into 149.
49.
When we multiply these two, 9 nines are 81 will come. Then 1 into 9, 9.
9.
Correct. Unit place is 9. Next, Nikila, 1005. Nikila, 5. All of you understood? How that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Anandida, 1024.
4.
4. Okay. Now, Joseph,
Yes,
jo-
ma'am.
Joseph 77.
7.
How do you get 7, Joseph? Did you check it? 77 into 77 into 77. What is 7 sevens are, Joseph? When you multiply the first two 77, 7 sevens are
7.
mm,
7 sevens are 48.
40,
48.
48.
48 into 7.
No, no, 7 sevens are what?
42.
42. So what is 6 sevens are?
42.
Hmm?
42. 42. 2.
6 sevens are
6 sevens are 15, 24, 30, 36. 6 sevens are
uh,
42.
42. So 7 sevens are
7 sevens are 42.
both 6 sevens are 42, 7 sevens are 42. Huh? 7 sevens are
48.
48.
48.
Rudra, 7 sevens are Rudra. 7 sevens are
49.
Rudra. Can you hear me, Rudra? Where is she?
Ma'am, 49.
Wait. Joseph, you do one thing. Write table of 7 5 times before my next class.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Joseph. 7 sevens are 49 and send to my WhatsApp number. Don't forget. Then again, 9 sevens are
63.
63. So unit place will be
3.
3. Okay, Anugrah. Next, 53. Anugrah. 53 cube.
1 minute.
Hmm?
9.
3. 53. 3 threes are 3 threes are 9. Then
9. 9 to 3.
9 threes are
27.
27. So unit place will be
7. 7.
7. 7. Okay. Now see, children, we will go through the properties once again. Read the property. Salin, read the first property. Salin. Read
Yes,
the first.
ma'am.
Read the first property.
71 cube.
No, did you write those properties? The properties. Did you write these properties? 6 properties. Did you write, Salin? No.
Ma'am.
Adnan, read the first property.
If the digit in the first place of a number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, or 9,
Hmm.
then the digit in the ones place of its cube will be the same digit.
If a digit in the unit place of a number is which are they 0, 1, 4, 5 or 1, 5, 6 or 9. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Its unit place of its cubes also the same number. If a number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, its cube also ends with the same numbers. And second property, Agna. Second property, Agna.
If the digit in the ones place of a number is 2, then the digit in the ones place of its cube is 8. Vice versa.
Vice versa. If a digit ends with 2, its cube ends with 8. If a digit ends with 8, its cube ends with 2. Clear? Okay, Vinayak, next property. Vinayak.
If the digit in the ones place of a number is 3, then the digit in the ones place of its cube is 7.
If
Vice
a
versa.
digit ends with 3, its cube ends with 7, vice versa. That is, if a digit ends with 7, its cube ends with 3. Now, third one, Saiba, not third one, the fourth one. Saiba. Hari Krishnan. Anandida.
Cubes of even natural numbers are even.
Cubes of even natural numbers are even. And next one, Nikila. 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 Next one. Hira. Next one.
Cubes of odd natural numbers are odd.
Odd. And last one is cube of negative integers. See, negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2. Negative 2 into negative 2 is what?
Positive.
Positive 4. 4 into negative 2?
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Negative 8. Negative into negative will come negative. So cube of a negative number will always be negative. Negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1 is what? Negative into negative 1, 1. 1 into negative 1, again negative 1. Cube of a negative number is negative. Is it clear, all those properties, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, just like our squares and square roots, we are going to study whether a given number is a perfect cube or not. There we check whether given number is a perfect cube or not, square or not. If it is not a perfect square, we will multiply by a number or we will divide by a number to get a perfect square number. This type of questions we have done in our squares and square roots. Here we are finding a given number. We are checking given number is a perfect cube or not. If it is not a perfect cube, by which number we need to multiply to get a perfect cube, or by which number we need to divide to get a perfect cube? Those type of questions we are going to do. Our time is up to 10?
45. 45.
45.
45. Okay, we have 10 more
45.
minutes. So we can start with that. First question. Right, first question. Is 500 a perfect cube? is 500 a perfect cube? This is the question. We need to check whether 500 is a perfect cube or not. For that, first of all, we will prime factorize this perfect cube. Find 500. Find all the prime factors of 500. First, by 2 we will do. So it is 2, 5, 0. Again 2. 1, 2, 5. Again 2. 5, 5. Again 5.
One,
Mm.
125.
No. 125. 125 to 6. 25 to 1 go. Sorry. 125 to 1 go. Sorry. So 2, 5. No, 5 it is. Yeah, I'm repeating the same mistake. Okay, 5, 2, 5, then 5, 5. Okay, so 500 can be written as 500 equal to prime factors are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we have to do one thing. Here the factors are 2 and 5. Here the factors are 2 and 5. Now we will group these factors. We can group these factors into groups of 3. We can group them into groups of 3. So we can group 5 into groups of 3. Okay? And can we make a group of 3, this factor 2?
One,
Or no, we have only, how many 2's are there? How many 2's are there?
2.
2.
We have only 2 2's. We need one more 2. If one more 2 is there, we can group them into a group of 3. So here, this 500 is not a perfect cube. 500 is not a perfect cube. So for checking whether it is a perfect cube or not, what we need to do, first of all, we need to prime factorize the given number. And if we can group the prime factors into groups of 3, we can say that it is a perfect cube. Otherwise, it is not a perfect cube. We will check one more example. Is 216 a perfect cube? Is 216 a perfect cube? Okay. So give the factors of 216. First one, 2. Then 1, 0, 8. Again 2, 5, 4. Again 2, 2, 7. Now 3, 9, 1 second, 9, again 3, 3. So we can write 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. After writing all the prime factors, you have to group those factors into groups of 3. Here, one group, a group of 3. 2 is a group of 3. We can group them. 3 also, the factor 3 also, we can group them into a group of 3. Hence, we can say that 216 is a perfect cube. Understood how to check whether the given number is a perfect cube? Here 500 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Only 5 can be grouped them into groups of 3. 2, we need one more 2. So 500 is not, not a perfect cube. And 216, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. See, we have two groups. Each have three. The two is, there are 3 2s and 3 3s. We can group those prime factors 2 and 3 into groups of 3. So 216 is a perfect cube and 500 is a perfect cube. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Okay.
Good morning.
Right. Okay. All of you write these two questions, these two examples. Write it. First of all, we are checking 500. Right, the first question, is 500 a perfect cube? Right? Two into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. Prime factor 5 can be grouped into 3, a group of 3. But 2 we cannot. We need one more 2. So it is not a perfect cube. And the case of 216, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. 2s and 3. The prime factors are 2 and 3. Both the prime factors can be grouped into 3. So 216 is a perfect cube. Okay. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, we will do more questions of this same type in the next period. Next period, our next period is at 12:15. Okay.
12:15.
Before that, you have to complete that table I have given you. Okay. What was it? Zaiba? Zaiba? Asan?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you have
11
to
to
do
20,
before 12 o'clock?
11 to 20 cubes.
Write cubes of 11 to 20. Okay, bye. We will meet.